Hello guys, I'm going to show you guys how I designed this tracking website. Yeah, it's more like a cargo website, precise. So, so that's what we're going to show you how to design. We can just basically see, um, track a particular password and see how it's going to look like. How it looks like. Wait, hold on a sec. Um, so, we can track this. And see it looks like. Yep, so you can see how it looks like. Yeah, it show you everything on the map, the red line, origin point, current location, which is this, and destination. This is where it's going to. Yeah, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to channel for more videos. So so basically what we have now, how we're going to set up this thing now, basically it's on localhost. So all we just have to do now, basically we have to get our XAMPP, which is this app here. You just get the app run. I feel like you already know how to install it. Once you know how to install it, the next thing you need to do is for you to just get the source code. Yeah, source code is, it's also free. You can come to my DM, but you have to do some stuff. So now how we're going to do this now, basically, you can get it for free. It's paid, but you can also get it for free. So you see my number on the screen on my WhatsApp. Yeah, so basically you just come here. uh okay, let's go to the file. Okay, you can see this is the file here, and this is XAMPP. That's the folder. So when you install XAMPP, you have a folder in your local disk. Then you come to this particular folder, htdocs. Click on it. Then you can put the folder, any folder here, and put your source code there. Look, this is source code here. You can see the source code. Now, how do we set it up? Basically, that's what you want to know. So what we need to do is you extract this file when you get this file. The next thing you do, you see this file here, you right click on it. Now you can use any means to edit, show more option. Uh, you can use any means to edit this file. You get it right? So I can actually use Notepad since I don't have VS Code on my laptop here. So you can do Notepad. I'm just setting this on my local. Setting on cPanel, it's kind of way easier. So you use your Notepad to extract. Sorry, it's open so many times. Okay, you can see. Once you open your Notepad, you see this part. That's the only thing you need to set up. Forget about this part. If you want to set it, feel free, you can do. If you don't want to, you will leave. So first of all, you create your database. Now you're going to create a database. You go to your XAMPP. So already, if you're using a live host, you already have a database. You can always get your database by creating the same way from your live host, or basically you see something called phpMyAdmin, then you use that to create your database. So now we click on this to create our database, right? But I already have my already called shipping. Yeah, so if you click this new, it's going to display just like your database name and click on create. Then you import the database file. Also it's come with the source code import, but I already have it here. So you can see, you can, oh sorry, okay, you can see it here, ship ng. You can see. So if I go here, you can see the name of the file here. Now the username by default for localhost, the username is always root. Why for your live host, you're going to get username also. But for a password, just leave it empty if you're into your local host. Now, once you're done doing that, you can just open here, go to your browser, just type local host. Once type local host, um, well, you just type local host. Sorry, I'm putting this folder here called Freedom Send because I want to put that folder. So if I don't put that folder is for something else, so let me just take away that folder. So let me go to this file here. So we're going to go to this file. This file. So remember the name is called what? Shipping. Yeah. So copy that. So we're just going to copy that and slash that's all. Then open that. So when we do that, it's going to load up the file. You can see that's loaded up the file successfully. So we have that website ready. So basically, you can see very easy to set up. We can always track our package. Use our same tracking code we used the last time. It's like this also though. So thank you for watching. Okay, let us say use this tracking code if you want to use. It's a demo tracking code basically. So this is the new one we just did, right? Can I just track it? Then you can see it's going to bring out the result. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more video. Stay tuned, remain blessed. If you need a source code, feel free to hit me on my DM. You can get it for free, but also at the same time it's paid. But you can get it for free. Yeah, thank you.